Hey loves, it's your girl Joeylissette and welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we are throwing it back to the 90s, at least my version of the 90s. Fall is here. I really wanted to do a smoky eye that's not brown or orange. Why not gray? Like gray is very beautiful. It's not as deep and crazy and dark as black, duh, but it's nice. It's smoky. It represents fall, winter also, and paired with this lip is very 90s for me. I actually wanted to do a chocolate lip, but my Juvia's Place lipstick will not be here in time, and I really wanted to record this today. I felt inspired. There's a cool crisp in the air. Not really, I live in Florida, but you know, I really wanted to do something that's fall related that is not brown or orange. I've seen enough of that. Literally when I typed in on YouTube fall makeup, that's all that came up was brown and orange, and there's so many other colors that represent fall. We are going to jump into store. Do you guys like my hair? It looks so short, but it looks so cute. I am starting my healthy hair journey, so we're about to get this hair up to here by December. Every week is a deep conditioner. Every week, you know, we're just making sure this hair stays hydrated, stays moisturized. The color is beautiful. Before we could jump in, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This looks so good. My hair is so short and cute. I love it. Starting off with my two favorite products for my base. Natasha Denona Skin Glass Chef's Kiss. I mix it with Bionic Glow from Milk. These two are such a good combination, and it leaves me with amazing looking skin. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Starting off with the brows, and I'm using the brow pencil from Give. So now we're gonna do the same to the next brow. Now we're gonna take my concealer, which I always use, is the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer in medium beige. So now we are going to apply the concealer all over our eyelid, and this is going to create a base, so that way the colors can really pop and everything goes on really smooth. Now let's take my One Size powder, and we're going to apply it all over the eyelid just to mattify it and make the eyeshadow really easier to apply and blend. Okay, and now on to the good part, which is the eyeshadow. So let's take the shadow shields. So we're going to take this color and we're going to apply it right above here. My hair is looking crazy right now. It really is, but don't worry, I'm gonna spruce it up at the end. That's not the concern right now. Unfortunately, I just realized none of my palettes have gray like that. I only have this palette, and it's these two grays. This really doesn't even look like gray, so I don't know. We'll see. Go ahead and pat this all in here. Okay, so my eyelids are drying out a little bit, so I'm actually gonna spray some setting spray. Nice, great, and smoky. I really want a little bit of like brown, just like a little bit. Let's get some eyeliner, some black liner. it doesn't matter how messy the eyeliner gonna go on because we're gonna smudge it. Next side, we're just gonna go ahead and blend. This looks so nice. Now I'm really debating if I want to do eyeliner. Do I want the drama of eyeliner? I don't know. I feel like something is missing. It's a little too basic. Okay, let's try some black eyeliner to really give it some depth, because right now it's just like, it's nice, but it looks nice. That's it. We want something bold. But we're gonna keep it thin. I am going to use my Dior Forever Skin Glow. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend this in. Go ahead and apply this here, here. I want a bright under eye. Go ahead and blend this in. Go ahead and blend it nice and blended. And blend like so. Take my one size. Now I'm gonna take my Mario Sculpt, and this is in the color dark. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend this. This literally makes it look like skin. I don't know what technology, what sorcery Mario did. This is the best contour. I don't know, honestly, I feel like since I turned 30, I'm just really into minimal contouring. Get all underneath the chin. So now it's time for underneath the eyes. So take some black liner. Okay, so now we're going to take some brown. And we're going to soften up this black a little bit. Going to take mascara for the bottom lashes. Now let's take some Rare Beauty. 1, 2, a little goes a long way. Do I want a nose contour? Duh. Go ahead and blend this blush in. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Take my Dior blush. Now take in my Juvia's Place. And I'm going to melt the blush. If you have this where the blush, it just looks like it's sitting. See how it looks like it's like highlight and then blush, and you want to melt it together? This is the best technique. Take a little bit of peach, take a little bit of pink. Look at that. You see the difference, right? From here to here. It looks, it aggravates me how good this looks. It really does aggravate me. Take this. So for the lip color, I want to keep it very 90s. What better color to represent the 90s than brown lip liner and this like burgundy color? I really feel like this is going to make that, why was that so emphasized? I feel like really make this 90s look 90s. Of course, I'm taking Cork from MAC. Cork and Chestnut are two lip liners you absolutely need. Absolutely need. Now we're going to take Fenty Fruit Snacks. All right, let me go do my hair and I am going to be back.